In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror image in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip any image horizontally or vertically so you can quickly create reflections, reversals, and more interesting layouts in your designs. First, go ahead and open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any existing project, like a social media post, a presentation slide, or even a custom-sized design you've created. Once the design is open, you'll see your canvas in the middle and your usual tools around it. Now, inside the editor, look for the image that you want to mirror. This could be a photo you've uploaded, an element from Canva's library, or any picture that's already part of your design. Click once on that image to select it. When the image is selected, you'll notice that a toolbar appears at the top of the screen, just above your canvas. This top toolbar is where Canva puts most of the key editing controls for the object you've chosen. With your image still selected, take a moment to look along that top toolbar. You'll see options like crop, edit image, and possibly filters or effects, depending on what you're using. Among these options, find the one labeled Flip. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, Canva will show you two choices for mirroring your image: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. If you choose Flip Horizontal, Canva will mirror the image from left to right. This is perfect when you want to reverse the direction someone is facing, or you want an object to point the other way, or you're trying to balance your layout by changing the orientation. If you choose Flip Vertical, the image will be mirrored from top to bottom, as if it's being flipped upside down along a horizontal axis. This can be useful for reflection effects, creative layouts, or simply experimenting with a different look. You can click either option and instantly see the change on your canvas. If you don't like how it looks, don't worry. You can just click the flip option again to reverse it, or use the undo button to go back to the original. Feel free to try both horizontal and vertical flips to see which works best for your design. Once you're happy with how your mirrored image looks, make sure to save or download your design as usual, and you're done.